It occurred to me that not everyone has changed this latch before, but it's one of the most simple things you can do on the car. So T15 Torx driver. There are 4 screws to remove. Pull the lid off. And here there are going to be 7 perimeter screws that hold the top lid. I can go ahead and remove those. And these are the same exact screws that are used to attach the lid to the console. So no issues if you mix and match these screws anywhere. Alright, now after this piece is unscrewed, it simply comes off. And then you can get to the latch portion here. And this is simply friction fit. So you should be able to move this back and forth in the holder. You want to push it towards the spring, put some tension on this piece, and it'll just come out. Now, spring's a little stiff sometimes, but that's part of its job. Take your new latch. You'll be able to position it. And spring goes like this through the hole. And then this other portion of the spring goes in this base hole. And it's pretty simple just to kind of fit it back in there. And that's pretty much all there is to it. You install it the same way. Put the screws back like you removed them, and job done.